In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to the Shopify Horizon theme. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in the browser tab next to your site title. It helps your store look professional and makes it easier for visitors to recognize your brand among many open tabs. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set it up step by step inside your Shopify admin using the Horizon theme. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and your online store's appearance. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find and click on Online Store. This will expand a set of options related to your storefront. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed at the top. Next, look for your active Horizon theme and click on the button that lets you edit the theme. This is usually labeled Customize or Edit Theme, and it opens the theme editor where you can adjust how your store looks without touching any code. Once the theme editor loads, look for the small gear icon, usually in the bottom left or right corner. This icon takes you to the theme settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the global settings for your Horizon theme. Inside the theme settings panel, find and click on the section called Logo and Favicon. This is where you control both your main logo and the small favicon image for your browser tab. Within this section, scroll if needed until you see the favicon option. It should be the last option out of the three in that area. Click on the select button next to favicon. This will open your Shopify file picker. If you already have your favicon image uploaded to Shopify, you can simply choose it from the existing files shown. If you don't have anything uploaded yet, click on Add Files and upload your favicon image from your computer. A square image, such as 32 by 32 pixels or 64 by 6 pixels, usually works best. Once you've selected the correct image, click on Done to confirm your choice and close the file picker. Finally, in the theme editor, make sure to click on Save in the top right corner. This applies your changes to the live theme. Then open your store in a new browser tab and you should see your new favicon displayed.